Hi, I'm Freya, and I would like to invite you to a year-long Tantra Massage Training. It's the 9th edition happening in Poland, near Warsaw, in beautiful venue called Oddechowo. It's starting on the 8th of August this year. 9 years we've been training people to become professional Tantra masseurs and body workers. In order to be professional and really transmit the healing to your clients, you need first to go through your own transformation. So this course is designed in such a way that you will go through your own de-armoring. You will go to remove blockages, release tensions, and to feel the free flow of energy in your body. You will open your body to pleasure. You will learn various techniques of expanding pleasure, feeling pleasure, and using pleasure for healing. You will also learn how to work with energy. Energy follows intention. So it's a very important quality as a healer to know, to see where the tensions in the body are and to really help your clients to release them. You will also have safe environment where you can really surrender to whatever you want. You will be guided by me and my partner, Piotr, with whom we've been teaching it for 9 years, and a team of very experienced practitioners, masseurs, and healers. So you will be safe, you will have support during sessions and after sessions, and also in between sessions. After completing this training, you will receive a certificate of completion, which will give you a stamp and pass to find clients everywhere in the world. For me personally, when I've completed this course, I started to travel. I could find clients, find employment everywhere in the world, because Tantra massage nowadays is really becoming very popular, and there is a big demand for good quality, real Tantra massages and Tantra bodywork and energy healing. So you can apply for this course down below, clicking the buttons, and we will contact you.